Do you ever see these huge income claims from people running their online businesses and they're making all of this money, but you wonder how it's happening, how that money is actually made? Well, in this video, I want to show you behind the scenes of how money is made with an online business, because so many people approach me and say, James, I want to make money online, and they tell me how they've been jumping from one thing to the next, trying to manifest this money or have it fly out of their printer, but they don't know the logic and the process behind how that money is generated, okay? So, to begin with, how is money made online? Well, it's like any other business. You have an online business, you're not making money online because you're not doing certain things that a certain company will pay you for filling in surveys, which is terrible. Instead, you have an online business, okay? You're selling items that people want to buy. Now, more specifically, people all over the world have issues, okay? I don't mean that in a derogatory way. I mean it in a way that people have issues that they want to solve. For example, people may want to lose weight. People may want to build muscle. People may want to have a certain diet so they have more energy, or they want to start an online business, or they want to invest their money, or whatever it is, right? People have these problems they want to fix. So they look online for a solution. Okay, they usually type it into Google, like how to lose weight, or they're browsing through Facebook and they see an ad about a new weight loss offer or something like that. Or, you know, they're browsing through Facebook and they see somebody posting about a specific product they've used to invest their money more wisely, whatever it is, right? There's tons of different topics you can help people with just based on your own experience and your own passions in life, right? And your own interests. And these ads are usually for a how-to style product, which is usually digital, which teaches them or gives them advice to achieve their end result, their end goal, their thing that they want to achieve, to lose weight, to invest more wisely, to survive in the wilderness, whatever it is, whatever your topic would be, right? It's a product teaching them how to do something. So similar to how you watch videos on YouTube, how to do XYZ, these products are more specific. It will say, click here, do this, for example, with a web design course, for example, or if it's out in the wilderness, there could be a person out there on camera saying, okay, so this specifically is what you would need, and so on, right? So it's way more specific than something in a YouTube channel, and it's guiding them through from, you know, having nothing at all, from being at their pain point to their pleasure point, which is their end goal. Okay, that is the whole purpose of a digital product. So this product could come in the form of video tutorials, like somebody's on camera, or there's a screen that somebody's watching to achieve a specific thing, or a written ebook of some kind, or an audio program, which is very popular with self-development, like Tony Robbins kind of stuff, and also like stress reduction, for example, with guided meditations and mindfulness stuff, for example, and many other ways as well. And even to the extent of offering services like coaching, consulting, done for them type agency services, or, you know, mastermind programs, which command a very high price, all the way up to like $100,000 or more, depending on your market. So there are people who are looking for solutions on a specific topic, and your job as the entrepreneur is to link up that solution to the prospect who's having issue with that topic. So how do you do that? How do you link up this solution to the prospect? How do you know what to sell? How do you find the prospects and so on? Well, obviously we have many programs and courses and coaching programs and so on to guide you through all of this stuff in much more detail, but I'm going to give you a summary right now. So the first thing you need is a niche. One topic you're going to be helping people with. Now, I don't recommend trying to do everything, because then you're just going to be focusing on way too many different things, and just because somebody likes one topic, it doesn't necessarily mean they're going to like the other topic as well, right? For example, somebody interested in weight loss may not be interested in building a business, for example, right? So you've got to be very specific and focus on just one topic, okay? That is the foundation of your business, and that way you can get to know your prospects in that one topic and get to know what they like, what they dislike, what they're looking to achieve, what they're struggling with, and everything else about them, so you can be on their level and create a solution, or a product in this case, to match up to their problems. So that brings us very nicely onto step 2, which is the solution to the problems that people in the market that you've chosen are having. Now, you have two options here. You can either sell other people's products as an affiliate for a commission or a share of the sale that you make, or you can create your own, which is infinitely more profitable because you earn the full 100% of the sale instead of a percentage, and also it's yours. You can then upgrade people into additional programs and services on the back end. In other words, you have your front end, which is to acquire the customer in the first place, and the back end is everything after that. You know, what happens once they are your customer? What do you upgrade them to? To a higher price program maybe, or a consulting program, or a coaching service, or something like that, right? It's all about that ascension, because that brings us on to step 3. Your average order value for each customer needs to be as high as you can possibly get it to maximize the amount of profit that you make per customer. That way, the more customers that you acquire, the more money you will make, and the more profit you will keep, of course, right? So how do you do that? How do you increase this average order value? Well, that brings us very nicely onto step 4, which is conversion rate optimization. So obviously you can't just say to somebody, hey, buy my stuff, and shake the camera until they buy something, right? That would be weird, and it doesn't happen. Instead, you need to put your message in front of the right people to get them to take action and buy your stuff. Okay, very important. Now, of course, once again, you can't just say, buy my stuff, and they'll go ahead and do it. In fact, what you should be doing is having a process or a sequence of some kind to take them from knowing nothing about you whatsoever into a very loyal customer. Now, of course, this process isn't something I can explain on a 10 or 15 minute video on YouTube, because it's quite complex and it depends on what approach you're using or what you're trying to sell. However, what you're doing is taking people from knowing nothing about you whatsoever into being that very loyal customer who will spend with you again and again and again, and want to upgrade to your higher price programs if you have them. And this is typically done by attracting people with a low barrier to entry, like a written report. Give me your email address in exchange for this free report, so you can have them on your email newsletter, you can build a relationship with them, and then sell them into your paid offers. Or it could be that you have a very low priced front-end product. It could be a video course teaching them how to do one part of their big end goal. For example, in the weight loss industry, how to speed up your metabolism, for example. That could be a product which you could sell for $7 or $27, and once they're inside that product, you have the opportunity to upgrade them into more expensive, more valuable products for them to achieve their ultimate end goal, right? So you're ascending people from low effort stages into these high effort stages the more they know, like, and trust you. And that brings us very nicely onto the next method, which is how do you get these people in the first place? How do you acquire the customers when nobody knows who you are? How do you get your message in front of the right people without breaking the bank? Well, of course, how do most businesses get customers? Advertising, either free methods like building a social media following, or using SEO services or methods to increase your rank in the Google search results when people type in a topic related to what you're teaching, or a paid advertising methods like Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Twitter ads, and there's plenty more as well. But any type of paid advertising method where you're putting an advertisement in front of your ideal prospects. That's how you get your message out there. That's how you attract people into your business, and that's where your whole business does the selling and persuading to get them to buy what you have to offer. And the final step in this process is tweaking and optimization. So this is technically called conversion rate optimization, or CRO for short, but I just call it making things better. Essentially, that's what it is. It's improving your marketing, improving your branding, improving the way you do business so more people want to work with you. This could be testing different layouts of your sales page which advertises your product, or it could be changing the copy on your website or something like that, but always making these very small tweaks to make huge returns on investment. So how do online businesses make all their money? Well, they choose a niche full of prospects who have a problem regarding a specific topic. They sell a solution for that topic. They then sell more solutions which have a higher price point with more value, and the customer upgrades their experience into these higher value offers and services and so on. And that way it increases the business owner's average order value and how much they receive from each customer on average, and they make more and more and more profit based upon that. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below this video if you are interested in receiving more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below as well. I'm always happy to help, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.